The case of Kilmar Abrego Garcia highlights a significant error by the U.S. government and the ongoing legal battle to rectify it. On March 15, 2025, Kilmar Abrego Garcia was mistakenly deported to El Salvador. This occurred despite a 2019 immigration court order explicitly prohibiting his removal to El Salvador due to the well-founded fear of gang persecution. The U.S. government has since acknowledged this as an administrative error. The case reached the Supreme Court, which on April 10, 2025, unanimously ruled that the Trump administration must facilitate Abrego Garcia's release from custody in El Salvador and ensure his case proceeds as if the wrongful deportation had not happened. However, the Supreme Court stopped short of demanding the government effectuate his return, leaving that for a lower court to clarify. Following the Supreme Court's decision, a federal judge on April 11, 2025, issued a strong order requiring the Trump administration to provide daily sworn statements detailing Abrego Garcia's location, his custodial status, and the specific steps being taken to secure his return to the United States. The judge has described the initial deportation as wholly illegal. Abrego Garcia is currently being held in the Center for Terrorism Confinement, or CECOT, a high-security prison in El Salvador. It is important to note that he has never been convicted or even charged with any crime in the United States. While the U.S. government alleges Abrego Garcia has ties to the MS-13 gang, he denies these claims. In 2019, an immigration judge found no credible evidence to support the government's allegations and granted Abrego Garcia withholding of removal, recognizing the danger he would face if returned to El Salvador. The Trump administration has argued that the U.S. government lacks the authority to retrieve Abrego Garcia from Salvadoran custody. However, this argument has faced significant pushback, including from the Supreme Court's liberal justices. The lack of transparency and information from the government regarding Abrego Garcia's well-being and the efforts for his return has been a point of serious concern for the presiding judge. The legal battle to bring Kilmar Abrego Garcia back to the United States continues, highlighting the consequences of administrative errors within the immigration system and the complexities of international law.